Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. This is Digital Marathon series of videos where we are going to ask you 42 challenges, and we already had asked 18 challenges and you have participated very well. So thank you so much for watching and participation. Now without wasting much time, let us get started and see our next challenge. Friends, the design challenge is on your screen where you have to identify the functionality of the given logic and tell me the name of this well-known logic design. Almost all of you know about this logic and its name. Now you can pause my video here, try to think of its answer. If you come to know its answer, please write it down in the comment section and I will definitely reply there. And I hope that all of you are enjoying this video series. If you also like this video, please press the like button and you can share your feedback in the comment section. And in future also we are going to create many such videos. So to be aligned with our channel, don't forget to subscribe it and press the bell icon to get the notification of all the upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching and your support.